Topic of today's lecture is relational algebra. Relational algebra is a formal query language based on mathematical properties by using a set of operations on a relation. The set of few operations defined on relation and based on these relations and combination of these relations is called as relational algebra. Relational algebra is a set of operations on relation and set of fundamental operations are defined on the relational model. These fundamental operations are predefined operations and additional operations can be derived from fundamental operations. Today we will see what these operations are and how they can use query and process the relational database system. Basically, relational algebra is a procedural language and there will be 6 operators are present in basic operations. The first one is select like sigma notations, then project like pi notations, union means union notations, and set difference means minus notation, and Cartesian product means cross notations, and rename means it is the row notations. So these are the basic fundamental operations and operators are present in relational model. The operators take one or more operations. The operator takes one or two relations as an input and produce a new relation as a resultant. So this is the example or schema for that one query. For this is the S1 table, S2 and R1 table. So in this table you have to display SID, BID and day. So first table R1 table has first row is 22 101 and date is 10 10 96. So this is the R1 table. Same S1 table is SID is attribute, S name is attribute, rating and age is also attributes. And same S2 operations, S2 table has SID, S name, rating and age. These are the attributes are present in these tables, and these are the table for R1, S1 and S2. So this is the solars and reservoirs relations for our example. So in these examples, firstly the first operation is select operation. Now let us see what the select operation, what is the purpose of select operation. The purpose of select operation is to identify the set of tuples which is part of relation and to extract only these tuple out. So select operation is firstly unary operations defined on a single relation. The one example of select operation is like this. The firstly you have to write down the notation for select is sigma, P is predicate condition or also it is called as a subscript, and R means it is the relation name or it is also known as the argumental single relation. So P it is the predicate or condition and R means the relation. So this is the formula for select P bracket मध्ये R. So define as a select sigma predicate condition R means it is equal to the in bracket tuple such that the tuple is belongs to that relation R and P of T. There will be different types of connectivities are present in select operation and, or and not. You have to use these operations for at the time of conditions, and also you have to use the arithmetic operations like equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. These are the arithmetic operations you have to use. So these operators are present in the first attribute. After that there will be one arithmetic operator and then another attribute or any constant value. The example for this select operation is select branch name is equal to pairage in bracket account. You have to find out the branch name is equal to pairage from account relation. So you have to display the rows for that records. So this is the one example for select operation. So previously I will display the S2 table. In this S2 table you have to SID, SName, rating and age. At that time I am getting fire the one query like select rating is greater than 8 from S2 table. Okay, so you have to display the record for rating is greater than 8. So firstly you have to check the which SID or SName is rating is greater than 8. So in this record, this is the rating is greater than 8, it is 9, and rating is greater than 8, it is the 10. So whole this tuple or whole this row has to be display for that query. The resultant data has been displayed. So this is the resultant data. You have to display this record is SID, SName, rating and age. SID is 28, MP rating is 9 and age is 35. Also SID is 58, Rusty rating is 10 and 35. So total rows has been displayed for select rating is greater than 8 in bracket S2. Also you have to use the pi operation for that. So previously I will after that I will discuss that the pi operation, then you have to display the records. So in this select operation there will be one another example is relation R has A, B, C, D. These are the attributes and these are the records. Alpha alpha 1 7, alpha beta 5 7, these are the records. So query is select A is equal to B and D is greater than 5 bracket R. So in this query, firstly you have to check that A is equal to B condition. If it is true, so you have to check for this relation is A is equal to B. That means alpha alpha, beta beta, this also beta beta. So this condition is true for these three records. Then D is greater than 5. Firstly you have to check that D is greater than 5. This record is D is greater than 5. This also D is greater than 5 and this also D is greater than 5. For that you have to check that both the condition is true. For this record is both condition is true, this and also this record. So display only two records for the resultant table like A, B, C, D, this column name as it is, and record is alpha alpha 1 7 and beta beta 23 10. So select operation can be used, or what is the purpose of select operation? Basically the purpose is to identify the selected tuple which is part of relation and to extract only those tuple from that relation. Okay, so you have to display the record for select operation. The next one, project or projection operation. The notation for project operation is pi and attribute list is A1, A2 up to AN in bracket small r or relation name, where A1, A2 are the attribute name and R small r is a relation name. So basically pi operation is used for to these attribute must be belongs to an attributes. So the pi operation is used for pi subscript set of attributes and its argumental relation will be a relation. The result is defined as a relation of k column obtained by the column that are not listed. So you have to find out the only columns data. You have to select only the column data. So duplicate rows removed from the resultant table and you have to display the table. For example, there will be to eliminate the branch name attribute of account table. To eliminate the branch name attribute of account table. So you have to display only by account number balance from account table. You do not display the branch name. So only display the account number and balance. Only two columns has been displayed for by using by operations. Same another example for projection. So previously I will display the S2 relation. At that case you have to display only pi S name and rating. Only two columns has been displayed. So in this previous example, this is the S2 and these are the SID, S name, rating and age. So only two columns has been displayed for pi relation SID. Okay, this is the SID. You have to display the S name and rating. Only two columns has been displayed. So only those columns result has been displayed for S2 relation. Suppose you have to display only age. So pi age in bracket S2. So delete attributes that are not in project list. Only those attributes you have to display that are present in their list. Project operation has eliminated the duplicate records. Suppose some age has been repeated, okay, so you have to remove the or you have to eliminate the same record or duplications. Eliminate means it is to be only one time you have to display. Suppose age, in age you have to check that age is 35 or 55 or 35 or 35. So 35 age is many times are present in this table. So this 35 age is only one time at the resultant table and 55 is one time. So you have to display the age for 35 and 55. Only two records has been displayed. So repetition can be removed. That means only one time the data has been displayed. The project operation has to eliminate the duplicates. Okay. This is also one another example. This is the relation table R, A, B and C. You have to only display the two columns A and C. So pi AC in bracket R. So you have to display by A and C. At that time you have to check that it is to be in alpha 1, alpha 1. It is the repeated elements, okay, present, and then beta 1, after that beta 2. So alpha 1 only you have to replace by only one time alpha 1. That means remove the redundancy. Alpha 1 only one time, then beta 1 and then beta 2. You have to replace this. So you have to display the projection operation for